What if the way you've been leading is exactly what's holding you back? Welcome to the Disruptive Leaders Camp. Day 1, we don't ease in, we challenge. Frameworks hit the table, teams form fast, and suddenly everyone's in. Ideas move, perspective shifts, and you can feel it. Something is unlocking. Day 2, it gets real. You apply, build, rethink, individually, collectively. Feedback flows, clarity sharpens, and what felt complex starts making sense. In just 2 days, you learn new tools, you gain new ways of thinking, a roadmap, a mindset, and community that feels like it's been there all along. This isn't just a camp, it's a reset for how you lead. Spots for the next Disruptive Leaders Camp are now open. If you're ready to think differently, we'll see you there.